Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Option Trader today. So today I'll tell you what is going on in Reliance and Future Groups. So as you know that the Kishore Bayani is defaulting some, that is because of this pandemic, the profit and the market share has gone down. So the Reliance in a talk with acquiring Future Group. So in this video I'll explain you what is going on. It is in late stage talk to acquire the retail business of Future Groups, as it moves to Walters is brick and mortar play in Asia's third largest economy. The two have ironed out their difference over certain terms and conditions, and a deal will be announced soon. Actually the deal will be announced soon, but now it is in talks. The future interests are spread across various entities. There are 6 listed companies. Reliance will acquire the retail supply chain and related business of Future, which will mark the end of founder Bayani's play in India's modern retail, an industry he pioneered. That is the thing which is the Reliance being acquiring, because as you know that the Kishore Bayani's Future Retail is facing a liquidity issue, as the pressure after it missed interest on its US dollar dominated bonds last week. So subsequently Fitch cut its retail credit rating on the company, and as you know that 42% in Future Retail, which runs hypermarket chain Big Bazaar and neighborhood grocery chain Easy Day Club, but 75% of the holding is pledged as on June 30 and 2020. The potential deal underlined Reliance and ambitious to dominate the Indian retail sector as it combines the online and offline format. Reliance will acquire the retail supply chain and related business of Future Group, which has various entities including 6 listed companies. Promoter owned 42% in Future Retail, which runs Big Bazaar Easy Day Club, but 75% of the holding is pledged on 30 June. I have already told you, June 30, 2020. The market value of its listed companies has fallen nearly 74%, which is around 10,464 crores in 1 year, and its debt has crossed 12,000 crores. It's because of the pandemic that the supply chain has affected so much, which had created this impact. The board member of Future has finally agreed with the final deals being working out with the parties, and the resolution will be passed next few days. The deal will be financed through a mixed share swap and cash. Market value on listed companies plumped 74% to 10,464 crores in 1 year, and the debts, I've already told you, it's been exceeded by 12,000 crores. So the potential in RIL's Reliance ambitions to dominate Indian retail sector is combined its online and offline format, and will bring in global partner in Western retail, which is Morgan Stanley, worth rupees 25 billion. So I think that the deal will crack in this 3-4 or in some days, and the Future Bayanis will be acquired by Reliance as some of the stakes. So the founders, it's because of the pandemic that is the issue is facing. So let's see how it will go.